Want to lose weight fast, but you're too lazy to go to the gym, and you just can't stop munching? Girl, I totally get you. And don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm going to share some super easy weight loss tips that'll help you slim down without facing any hard struggles. Just follow along, and don't miss number 7. It's a game changer. Tip number 1, drink more water. Water is your body's BFF when it comes to weight loss. Drinking water before meals helps reduce your appetite. You'll feel fuller and eat less. Cold water can give your metabolism a little boost too. And staying hydrated? It improves digestion, flushes out toxins, and even helps reduce bloating. Start your day with 2 glasses of water on an empty stomach. You can even add a little warm water and lemon for that detox glow. And remember, try to drink water 30 minutes before every meal. It really helps. Tip number 2, add more protein and fiber to your meals. Protein and fiber are a powerful duo for weight loss. Protein helps build muscle and boost metabolism. Think chicken, eggs, fish, milk, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, nuts, yum. And for fiber, add lots of fruits and veggies. These keep you full longer and stop those sneaky cravings. Tip number 3, avoid sugar and processed foods. These are calorie bombs with 0 nutrients. Processed foods are made to taste addictive. That's why we overeat them. But here's a trick. Try planning your meals in advance. Load your plate with more protein and fiber. When you eat healthy, you'll naturally stop craving junk. Tip number 4, chew your food well. It might sound too simple, but trust me, it works. Chewing slowly gives your brain time to realize you're full, and that stops overeating. So next time you eat, take it slow and enjoy every bite. Tip number 5, use a small plate. Here's a cute brain trick. Smaller plates make your food look fuller and help you eat less without even noticing. So yes, bestie, trick your brain and eat less, but still feel satisfied. Tip number 6, eat without distractions. I know some of you are literally watching this while eating. Gotcha. But seriously, try eating without your phone or TV. When we eat distracted, we don't notice our hunger levels and end up overeating. So sit down, focus on your food, and enjoy it mindfully. Tip number 7, get enough sleep. Sleep is so underrated when it comes to weight loss. Lack of sleep messes up your hunger hormones, which means more cravings and more eating. So try to get at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep every night. Rested body equals balanced cravings equals less eating. Simple as that. Tip number 8, reduce stress. Stress makes us reach for sweets, snacks, and all the comfort food. And guess what? It also messes up our sleep. Take deep breaths, go for a walk, or journal your thoughts. It's so healing. And yes, it helps with weight loss too. Tip number 9, avoid liquid calories. Water equals weight loss hero. Sodas and sugary drinks? Weight loss villains. They're full of sugar and chemicals that mess with your metabolism and gut health. So swap those sodas with water, herbal teas, or lemon-infused water for a glowy change. And that's it, bestie. By following these simple tips consistently, you can lose weight without intense workouts or strict diets. Just take baby steps and trust the process. You got this.